Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Growing Guitar, Zach, Bryan, Oklahoma Smoke Show. Alright, so this one is very easy to play the song, guys, so if you love it, yeah, it's your day. So we're gonna look at this with a capo set here on the first fret, and with that we have four very classic chords here in this combo: G, C, E minor, and D. So very easy. Nice. So let's take a look at the chords. We have first the G, so that is third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. Then C, so that is third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. Minor next, so that is open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. And the final chord, D. So that is open D, second G, third B, and second E. Alright guys, so before we continue here, please feel free to subscribe to this channel. I really love your support there, and I would appreciate all help I can get from you. So thank you for watching so far. Let's take a look at this tutorial. And we're gonna look at the strumming pattern first. That is what we need. So grab the first G, since that is the first chord. And yeah, one strumming round is about 8 downs, but we will have a certain rhythm here. So some downs need to be emphasized. So it goes like this. So 8 downs with that, and you're gonna emphasize the first down, the fourth down, and the 7th down out of 8. All right. And how do you emphasize that one? You start with 1 down, a little bit more on the mid and top strings. So that's the first, and you're gonna do the same on the 4th and the 7th. All the other downs you're gonna chill with here on the bass strings. So it's top, bass, bass, top, bass, bass, top, bass. Like that, if you take it slow. So. Alright, so with tempo. 1 round and a couple rounds to get the feeling for the rhythm. You don't have to necessarily go all the way down here. If you choose to play a little more here on the mid strings and alternate that with just chewing on pretty much the A and E string here in the bass, that will be enough to have the contrast there. So something like this. Alright, so that is how you handle the strumming. Now let's take a look at the actual song. So it starts with the verse here. You're gonna play G 2 rounds, strumming rounds that is, then C 2 rounds, then E minor 1, D1, and back to G2. So it starts and it ends on G2. So like this. C, C, E minor, D, and G, G. That is 1 chord progression round. You're gonna play that for 4 rounds, and that is your verse. Then comes the pre-chords. Here you're gonna play the chords C, G, D, and E minor in that order. Now you're just gonna play one down per chord, and it's long pauses in between. So like that. That is one chord progression round. You play that for 2 rounds, and that is your pre-chorus. Then we are at the chorus play now. You're gonna go back now to the standard strumming we used for the verse, and the chord progression now will be C, 2 rounds, G, 2 rounds, D, 2 rounds, and E minor, 2 rounds. That is one chord progression, C, G, D, E minor, 2 strumming rounds per chord. And you're gonna play that for 2 chord progression rounds. So let's go for 1 round together. The chorus, 2 strumming per chord and for 2 chord progression rounds. Then follows an instrumental part. You're just gonna continue with the chorus play for another 2 chord progression rounds, playing the same way. So total with the chorus and instrumental, it's 4 rounds. Then comes the outro part. You're gonna use the verse chords for this one. That is G, C, E minor, D, and G. Now you're gonna play in the same way as the pre-chorus. That means 1 down per chord. That chord progression, G, C, E minor, D, G, you're gonna play for 2 rounds like this. For 2 rounds, and that pretty much wraps it up for Zach Bryan's Oklahoma Smoke Show. So yeah, a great song to learn, very suitable for guitar, easy to play, and a great song to practice the standard 4 chords. It's very handy to learn and know. So thank you for watching, guys, and if you did in fact enjoy this tutorial, thumb up, and until next time, play tuned.